Hey, what's going on? This is Mike Fox, Window Repair Systems and WindowHardwareDirect.com. And today I want to talk about one of the questions we've been getting, and it is, what does my stamp mean on a block and tackle balance? So I have two examples. This is our Series 300, and this is our Series 400. They're both basically the same balance, but made by different manufacturers. So on this one, this is a 13-4. And so what does a 13 mean on a block and tackle balance? The 13 means it's a 14-inch length metal to metal. And you can verify that by just putting your tape measure up and verifying that it is 14 inches. And one of the deciphering factors of this is on this balance, this is the 300, Series 300, it has a printed on identifier. And on the Series 400, they have a stamp. It's literally stamped into the metal. And this is 1340. And so each manufacturer uses a little bit different material, and they also use different top guides and bottom guides. So when you're trying to identify what you have, it actually helps us a lot if you can tell if it's printed on or if it's stamped on. And we can actually find the correct top guides from some of those dimensions. But this is one question that we've been getting a lot of, and figured we'd try to decipher some of this. So this is, what does my stamp mean for my block and tackle balance? So if you got any other questions, please let us know. And till next time, thank you.